Okay, on 328, we're doing a standard normal drill, so we're using the standard normal distribution. And the standard normal distribution is the normal distribution where the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. And so we want to calculate the area, to sketch the normal curve and shade the area that represents this region. Okay, and so when z in particular is negative 2.25, we want to figure out what proportion of observations is below, less than or equal to negative 2.25. So in other words, what percent of our data is less than 2.25 standard deviations to the left of our mean. So this right here is my z-score, and I want to know what percent is to the left of it. So what we do for this is we need to go to our table and look up our z-score. See, here's our table, the z-score. This is a table. Once we find the z-score, it's our how many standard deviations we are away from the mean. This is our table that works for every normal curve once we standardize it. So once I calculate the z-score, then I can use this table because this is the standard normal, the curve, the data for the standard normal table z-score, or the standard normal curve. Sorry about that. So in particular, when the z-score is negative 2.25, I want to find that. I've got negative 2.2 right here, and so that's going to be this row. 2.25 come down here. That's that guy right there. So 1.22% is the area to the left. So I come back up to my problem, and that's going to be 1.22%. Alrighty. So that's the percentage of observations to the left of negative 2.25. Alright, B. Z is greater than negative 2.25. Now, greater than 2.25, let me get this out of the way here if I can. Let's see, greater than 2.25 is going to be this side, negative here. It's going to be this side over here. Well, if this is 1.22%, this side is going to be 100 minus 1.22%. Okay, so that'll be, what is that, 98.88, oops, 78%, if I can subtract it in my head, right? That's 78%. Okay, does that make sense? Alright, C, excuse me. Then we've got Z is greater than 1.77, so if I take a look at that, I've got the mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. That's again called the standard normal curve. So greater than 1.77. So I'm going to go over here and look at 1.77. And I come down here, 96.16. 96.16. Okay, so that's going to be, now notice on the picture, it's the area to the left up here, right? So 96.16 to the left. So this area is 96.16. So this area is 100 minus 96.16, which would be 3.84%. All right. And then lastly, D asks for this. We're going to combine these, where the mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. We want the region between negative 2.25 and 1.77, because it asks for Z is between those two, so that's this region in here. Well, I know this area out here is 3.84, and this down here is 1.22%. So I'm just going to subtract from 100. So I've got 100 minus 1.22 minus 3.84, and that'll give me 94.94%. That's a 9. Okay, for this region in the middle. Alright, does that make sense? Alright, there you have it.